Hi there, hi everyone, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, July the 18th, 2022. It's today a very hot day, but tomorrow it will be the hottest day of the week, maybe 38, 40 degrees here. I do not know. We will see. But let me continue and finish this additional with the last puzzle. This will be puzzle number 4872. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. Cijferblok in Dutch. Yes. And this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one 15 should be an easy one because I think if it's really a 4 stars tectonic, if it's really 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 1, single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we see here dual boxes? The next question here, the dual box, I see here the dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Only 1 dual box. Triple box then. Do we have triple boxes here? Triple box there. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. I do not know in which order. Here also the 1, the 2, and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember, the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Always 4 or a 5. We have a 4 in this area, so it can't be a 4 anymore. So this box should be a 5. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. We have a 5 in this area, so it can't be 5 anymore, so it must be a 4. Same for here. The box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. Here also 4 or a 5. Alright, then the following question, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? I see here only 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Only 1 quadra box. Alright. Okay. Only 1 quadra box. Then the following strategy. It's the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this figure or shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction or Z shape? Let me draw this here. When you see the Z, or if you flip this, the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The Z construction or shape or figure. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? The T shape, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Only one T shape. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape. This one is the last shape. Yeah, the last shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, right, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here four shapes or figures, structures, constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, those 2 boxes can be 5, and this box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4, and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4, it goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, those 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Then these 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, right. Let me see. Yeah, I'm thinking. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, and also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Alright. These 2, no, wait. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. So here can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Together with the 5, we have a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 1. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 5. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. It can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Could be a 3. Cannot be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. And can be a 5. Definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's taking too long. This box can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. Because if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this Z shape or construction for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 3. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 1, but also those two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1 in this triple box. 1 box left should be here. We have a 1 here. Okay, now we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright, so that means that those two boxes can be 2 and 3. Because we have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5, okay. Yeah. This box can be 4 or a 5. So, cannot be a 1. So, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, okay. 2 and 3, let me think. This box can be a 2. Because we have double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 2 here, and I need a 2 in this area. These two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. This box can be a 1. So this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes with the 2 and a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked this box with 2 or a 3. So this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me think. This box can be a 2, but also this box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Should be a 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. That means that we have a double 2 there. I cannot place a 2 here anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes. And there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Well, we have a double 1 here. I cannot place the 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1 here. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. And that box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Finish in 17 minutes. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. If it's a 1 star, then I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, 70 minutes. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, aka Cyber block. Playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on the hottest day of the week, on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.